Benefits of being an active member of the blogging community. There are many benefits to being an active member of the blogging community. Here are some of the main advantages. Networking and collaboration. Active blogging can help you build relationships with other bloggers and influencers, opening up many networking opportunities, collaboration, guest posts, and more. This connection makes it easier for you to promote your blog and put yourself on the map. Increase visibility. Participating in blogging communities increases your visibility to a wide range of audiences, which can help you attract more visitors and readers to your blog. It also gives you an edge over competitors, not in the community. Professional growth. Being part of a blogging community can help you learn from the experiences of other members and stay up to date with the latest trends in the industry. You can also get feedback on what works best for your blog, which can help you improve and grow as a professional blogger. Free promotion. Participating in blogging communities gives you free promotion for your blog and its content. Fun and engagement. Being part of a blogging community is fun and engaging. You can make new friends, appreciate others' work, receive valuable feedback on yours, and even take part in competitions and challenges. These activities can help you stay motivated and inspired. These are just a few of the benefits of being an active blogger, and there are more to discover. Speaking of benefits, have you ever wondered what advantage you can get in securing your investments? Securing your investments, especially cryptocurrencies, would give you peace of mind and protect you from potential losses. One way to achieve this is to invest in hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are the safest way to store digital assets and protect them from theft and hacking. Check out this trusted hardware wallet we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are the top choice for cryptocurrency users looking to keep their digital assets safe. With strict safety measures in place, there's no risk of compromise during transmission, so you can trust that your money is secure. Invest with confidence and check out Ledger wallets today. If you want to learn about remote tech jobs, check out our previous video.